A warm welcome to you all. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to mock up your videos on Canva. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and turn on the notification bell to be one of the first people to see my video. Let's get into the video.
So guys, if you want a video or a mock-up like what you have seen in the video, do stick with me to the end of this video. You are going to enjoy it. Our video of tonight will be on canva.com. So if it's your first time of hearing of canva.com, I would like you to sign in to access all the full features of this site. So I'm going to get in there. Yeah, you get into the official page of canva.com. This is the official page of canva.com. Then you go to videos. You will see a couple of templates here. I will advise you to go to create a design for this video. Go to videos. When this is done, you can change the you can name the page. You can name the page on this site. I'll name it as video. Okay, at this level we want to design our page and mock it up. So we're going to go here, choose a color for the page. I'm going to go with the blue. Now that our page is blue, to put the virtual phone and virtual computer, we are going to go to our elements on the left hand side of our page. We scroll down. We go to frames. We head in there. Here you can see this is an iPad size. So I'm going to be taking this our virtual phone, and I'm also going to be taking this our virtual machine. So guys, we can resize it by increasing it here and here. I'm going to place up. Now that the images of both our virtual phone and our virtual computer are here, we'll need a second and most important thing. We'll need a video or an image that corresponds to the size of the device. For laptops, the sizes are usually larger, so we'll need a video which has been recorded with a larger size. Or for phone, with the opposite is the opposite. So we're going to go to upload files. Will bring us to our destination, and I'll choose the files I want to upload. I'll press open. And so guys, now that our upload is done, as you can see from the size here, you will notice that this video is for this computer and this other one is for the phone. So all that matters is the size in which it was recorded with. So I'm going to take this one and put it here. So if you want to play it, you click on it.
Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Okay, and for this other one, we're going to carry it and drop it on our machine. So guys, you can see if you want to play, you do the same thing. Also guys, to mock up an image on Canva is also very easy. So I'm going to go to the official page of Canva. We go here, create a design, custom size. I'm going to resize it to 1280 by 720 pixels, and press create a design. Okay, for our image, we can change our background, change it here. I want to take the blue. Okay, we go down to our elements as we did in the video. We go down to frames. We select our phone. We select our computer. Okay, we go to videos. Here are the videos I uploaded. I'm going to take it and put it like I did with videos. I take it and I put it here.
Hello guys, welcome to this channel.
I can still go to elements to split our page to be separate. I go to elements. I go to grid. I would like my page to be like this. We change our background color to be blue. The same thing. We choose another color. Okay. So now that we are done here, to download it, we're going to go to our file. We save it first of all on our Canva account. We go here, we click on download. It's going to choose the file extension. Since it's an image, we're going to choose the JPG. Okay, click on download.